In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. Whether you're refreshing your existing website or starting from scratch, adding a drop-down menu can vastly improve its navigation and make everything more user-friendly. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process so that you can achieve a sleek and professional look in no time. Let's start by heading over to Squarespace. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that first. Just enter your credentials and get yourself to the dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll have access to all the backend settings of your website. Once there, we're going to focus on enhancing your site's navigation for a cleaner, more organized appearance. Now that you're logged in, look at the left menu panel. We're interested in the website section, so go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your site. Under the website category, you'll find an option labeled Pages. Select it to view the various pages of your website. Here's where all the structural magic happens. As you look over the main navigation menu, you will notice a plus symbol beside it. This is your gateway to creating new elements within your site's navigation bar. Click on the pluses, and when the drop-down menu appears, choose Dropdown. This will allow you to begin building a drop-down menu effortlessly. When creating drop-down menus, it's all about categorizing your content, so think carefully about how you want to organize your pages. Drop-down menus are great for grouping related pages under a single heading, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for without wading through a long list of options. Once you've clicked on Dropdown, you'll be prompted to add content that will fill your new menu. Depending on your website's needs, you might want to add links to blogs, services, or product categories. Anything that will make navigation intuitive and efficient for your visitors. A well-organized drop-down menu can be a crucial part of keeping your site navigable and streamlined. After you've packed in the content, be sure to preview the changes. This ensures everything looks and works as expected before you publish your updates. Make adjustments as needed so that each link is easy to find and clicking through is seamless. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to enhance your website with a drop-down menu using Squarespace. By organizing your site with this clean and aesthetic feature, you provide visitors an easy way to access information, improving their overall experience. As always, keep an eye on how these changes affect your visitor stats and feel free to adjust as your website evolves. Thanks for watching, and give your audience the gift of easy navigation.